Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be opening a box from The Naked Beauty. A little bit about the Naked Beauty box. It is skincare only. No makeup, no hair care, skincare, that's it. And I subscribe to it monthly. And monthly it's $35.99. Now, if you prepay for 6 months, a year, you get definite discounts at those price breaks. A lot of indie brands, a lot of organic, and a lot of small batch products, and almost always vegan and cruelty-free, which is really important to me. Well, let's get into the box and see what they sent. Okay, right on top is my card that tells me everything that's in here, along with the values, if I remember correctly. And it's just wrapped in tissue paper real nicely. And it says, thank you. Okay, so we will start with the very first item. Let me get into this. All right. Looks like some different and interesting products. The first item here in the pamphlet, it says Grace Beauty Anti-Aging Body Oil. Retail value of $24. This is what I'm smelling in the box. I don't think it leaked. No leak. Just very strong smelling. This luxury body oil is for you if you care for your décolleté, neck, elbows, shoulders, knees, and toes. Helps reduce appearance of sunspots, acne wrinkles, and leaves skin soft and smooth, very hydrating, and doesn't clog pores. Avoid the sun after applying oil. Pure citrus essential oils, cold pressed oils like avocado oil, jojoba oil, and rosehip seed oil. No alcohol and fragrance free. Kids safe, helps with dry skin and dark spots. Face use on face to spot treat dry areas rather than applying to all over the face. So the body, you can use it all over, but the face just spot treat. All right. Normally it tells me if it's organic or if it's vegan. Here it doesn't say anything, but I can tell that it doesn't have a seal on it, and that's why it's been gradually leaking out. It's on my fingers already, but it smells good. Very citrus. Yeah, it smells lovely. All right, the next product is Gypsy Soul Organics Gypsy Eyes Eye Serum. Let's see if I find that. Here we go. Is this it? Gypsy Eyes. Okay. Gypsy Eye Serum, retail value of $25. And I'm gonna make sure you get a real good close-up of this because it's interesting inside. There are particles in there that move about. So I'm gonna read and see what it says. It's like getting 6 hours of sleep in a bottle. Our ultra concentrated, yet lightweight eye serum enriches skin and targets the look of lines, dark circles, and puffiness. Okay, what's inside of there? Oh, it smells really nice. I'm cautious about putting things around my eyes. I'm gonna have to maybe do a little more reading on this because I don't know what chunks of what chunks of what are floating in there. We'll see. All right, maybe get on the website and I might learn a little more about that product. All right, the next item I like because I see it says SPF on it. And I love me some good SPF. And this is by Soon Skincare. I don't know if you can read that. But Soon Skincare, all day broad spectrum SPF 50, $40 retail value. Protect your skin from direct and indirect sun exposure, damaging effects of screen time and environmental pollutants with this smooth, non-sticky, broad-spectrum SPF 50 lotion. Shield from fluorescent, blue, and damaging infrared light from electronics and screen time. Prevent damage from direct and indirect sunlight. Boosted with stabilized vitamin C and E to protect from free radicals and outdoor pollution. Wow, this is a one and done kind of product, it sounds like. Well, we'll see what it's like. It's a pump, and it is a nice white, very white. See if it rubs it. Oh, it's like a lotion, really nice lotion. And I even put that on over that eye serum. And that rubbed in really nice and easy. Wow, I'm surprised. Sometimes when they're that white and this thick, you got white paste for days and you don't know how to rub it in or where to rub it in. This went in really nicely. So, let's see. As of right now, we've got a $24 value, $25 value, and a $40 value. And I mentioned that the box was $35.99. We have way exceeded the value already. That's what I love about this box. I get to try new brands and good, healthy products, all for a good value. And we have 2 more products to go yet. All right, the next one is a lip balm. Here we go. And it's in cardboard packaging. And it's where you just push it up, or you're supposed to be able to push it up. Let's see. I'm sorry, I cannot get it to come up. I don't know how else to get it up and out. Oh, there it moved. Okay, I just had to use my muscles a little more. And this is lip balm. Okay. Oh, it's really creamy. I'm not smudging up my red lipstick. But tonight when I go to bed, I'm gonna definitely give this a try. I like to put on a nice heavy cream on my lips every night. That way through the day, I don't have to try to find the lip balm and replace my lip moisture. All right, let's learn about this. It's fantastic. It's nothing lightweight. It is a nice, firm cream. Balm, I should say. All right. This is the Speak Collective Cocoa Lip Balm. Okay. Provides instant relief to dry, cracked lips and leave it nourished, soft and smooth with regular use. Packaged in a paper tube that's better for you and the environment, and I love that. That's awesome. Most skin types, including sensitive skin, skin concerns, dry, sore, irritated, cracked lips. Benefits: seals in ultra-rich moisture protective barrier against dryness. I'm gonna give this a go tonight. I have my favorites, but I'm always willing to try anything new, especially if it's a clean product. And I'm gonna do a little more research on some of these products to find out which ones are clean. Okay, and our last item is a skin brightening vitamin C cream. Let's see if I can get this open so we can see what it looks like and smells like. Smell is really important to me. Things have to either smell right or not at all. Okay, vitamin C cream. It has a slight, very, very, very slight hint of, it's very runny, of very slight hint of orange, sorry. But yeah, it is not a thick cream. It's more, a little thinner and more lightweight. All right, let's read about it. See what they tell us about this product. All right, it says clearly vitamin C, skin brightening vitamin C cream for $23. Okay, when it comes to getting a brightener and more radiant complexion, vitamin C is a game changer. Our vitamin C face cream is loaded with essential nutrients and antioxidants to revive dull skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, brightens complexion, and clears acne and blemishes. This is a do-it-all kind of product too. A unique formula made with omega-3 and 6 essential rosehip seed oil, antioxidant rich, organic blueberry, cranberry, and raspberry extracts. That's really interesting. Clarifying willow bark and organic neem oil and soothing organic aloe vera. Recommended daily treatment for all skin types. Now, if I add all of this up, 25, 50, 90, 100, we're looking at $123 in this box. Right here, $123. Skincare is not a cheap investment, but it is something that's worth looking into, more green, sustainable, and vegan options. And that's what I think we have here. If you have any questions about any of these products, please list it in the comments below. If anybody's interested to find out what's inside of here, comment, and I will contact the company and find out what's floating in there, because nowhere did it tell me what's floating in there. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you'd like to join my family here on YouTube, and ding the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much, and you take care.